Lars is working on a special project over here. Got this bike shipped all the way down. You want to inform people of what this project is? What it entails?
I mean, it's just simple stuff. Full exhaust, stacks, new tune.
You're getting a full exhaust, or you got it?
I'm getting a full exhaust.
What kind? Which one?
I think it's a Yoshi, but I forget which one. I think it's either the R11 or I forget.
I forget which model, but it's definitely a Yoshimura.
Yeah.
Full exhaust system.
Full exhaust.
What was on here before?
It was just a two brother slip-on with stock headers. I just took the slip-on off, and I just got down to the stock headers right now. I'm just waiting to get the new exhaust, and then I'm gonna start taking the core and everything apart. So we're at.
Got this air box loosened up too. What's going on in there?
I just got this stripped down. I'm waiting for stacks.
Wait a minute, something's missing over here. What is this? What are we doing?
I think I'm gonna go with the Venturi stack.
I'm going for 2 days and Mischief is naked. What's going on here? So you trying to make it a little beast, huh?
Give it a little something.
And you enjoying them straps?
Yeah, straps are great actually.
Yeah?
Fantastic.
Feel a huge difference?
Fantastic.
All right.
And I put one tooth down. I went one tooth down in the sprocket over here. And I had one tooth down in the front over here, and I went with the same thing. So I still got one tooth down in the front, and so I'm at 41 in the back, 15 in the front. I got the new DID ERV7 chain, which is supposed to be like MotoGP and light and durable and all that.
Sir, it would appear that you are not playing games.
I don't know. I just like quality stuff.
I hear you. You're making this into a nasty little CBR, huh?
Trying to, yeah.
All right, man. Well, we'll look forward to that, bro. About to go pick up your baby. On our way to Boss Racing, go pick up Mischief. See how she's pulling. Larry acting like he's not excited, but he is. He definitely is. We're gonna see how this thing turned out. I got the shop again. Ooh, this R1 is sexy as hell. This looks like a track R1. Damn, this is nice, bro. But we're not here to talk about this. We're here to talk about that. Ooh, baby. Pobs. It's Pobs. Ooh, that exhaust looks nice. It's sweet, right?
Yeah.
You can only
sweet, right?
You can only get this from Japan?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's
Special
why,
order.
because I only know 2 or 3 people in the country that can get it. Like, we can get them. We don't get them for people because it's such a pain in the ass.
Yeah, you gotta sign all kinds of paperwork to say it's like off-road
it's-
use and all that shit.
Yeah. I haven't seen one with the iridescent like that on it, though.
That's titanium, so it's gonna get bluer and bluer.
First start. Back in the stable, back home. You know Lars is happy about that. What up, T'Challa? Nah, man, but today's all about Mischief, man. This bike sounds like it's ready to freaking go, man. It was sounding pretty good, man. Sounding pretty good. And this exhaust system is turning heads. I was not aware of the exclusivity that this thing possesses. And apparently, you can only get the system in Japan. And the Dyno numbers were great, bro. We have, I actually took a video of it earlier. Put that on the screen for you guys. But it made really, really, really good horsepower. All right, we got 168.53 horsepower with 81 pound for the torque. And look at that AFR smooth. Looking real good. You can see here, this bike is making some great power all the way through, man. And you guys may think that, 168 is not blasting numbers, but for this bike, I'm telling you, man, this bike absolutely moves. And I think Larry's gonna let y'all know about it pretty soon too, right? Larry Legend. Larry Legend gonna show y'all what this blade do.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah, man, we will definitely see. This bike is definitely not the same as it used to be. Nothing but gains, man. But I'm happy for you, kid. And we're gonna see what it does when we out to Miami, man.
Feels a whole lot different, man. Especially those stacks made a huge difference.
Absolutely.
Huge difference.
Absolutely. We're gonna get to Charlie some stacks pretty soon too, but not for right now. But yeah, these bikes are ready to go, man. We just waiting on that time to go. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're a subscriber, please tap that bell. You can notify when new content is uploaded. Happy to see the progress with this Fireblade, and we're going to continue on. So guys, I will see you guys in the next episode. People, ride safe and peace out, man.